You know what? Thomas Edison, described as America's greatest inventor, never went to school and was self educated. Bill Gates, Michael Dell, Mark Zuckerberg, and Brad Pitt were college dropouts, and they are all millionaires and famous personalities. Moral of the story is, if you want to be successful, either drop out of school or drop out of college. See, you have the proof already, don't you? The lesser you study, the more successful you will become. Hey, wait. Then, where are the educated ones? The highly educated ones, the ones who successfully completed their college? Are they all losers in their life? Where are they, and do they even exist? Of course, they exist. They are very much there, and they too are successful in their own fields as entrepreneurs, scientists, doctors, engineers, astronauts, experts on social media, programmers, chartered accountants, and this list can go on. Now, hasn't the moral of the story changed? To become successful, you need good education. What do you think is common between these school or college dropouts and the ones who successfully completed their college? The common thing is the knowledge that they gained. Look at the ones who dropped out of school or college or who never went to school. What do you think were they doing? Sitting idle waiting for a miracle to happen? Or were they waiting upon a huge fortune to hit them? They never sat idle, but were learning and gaining knowledge in the field that inspired them. They continued to source knowledge through various means and kept progressing in their own field. And the ones who got formal education too were gaining knowledge through their formal studies. While one set of people were learning on their own, the others were being taught in their colleges. You could be formally educated or informally. What matters is the knowledge that you gained in the field that you intend to pursue. So, the true moral of the story is gain knowledge if you want to be successful in your life. The first and the foremost thing I want to instill in your mind is stop picking the wrong examples and diverting your focus away from your studies. While we can always say even school dropouts are successful, you need to understand that this list of people is like a tiny drop in the mighty ocean. I have a question for you guys. Tell me something. When everything in your life is given to you in a very systematic manner and is handed to you on a platter, why would it be so difficult for you to handle? Why would you want to fail at your college and drop out of college? Do you have other ways and means of gaining knowledge? Or are you inspired by the wrong people? See, your college is where the foundation for your growth starts. So learn to get your basics right through college. Learn to gain as much knowledge and then decide what you want to do in your life. Learn to focus on your studies and do not get carried away by unwanted distractions. I sometimes get surprised at the number of careers you can find on the internet which will claim to make you a millionaire. Looks like everyone in every nook and corner of the world is a millionaire, and that, trust me, is far from reality. Do not get carried away by all this and end up spoiling what is right in front of you. These distractions will only hamper your future and your progress. And if you get distracted, find ways to escape the distraction by refocusing on your studies. It is highly important that you gain knowledge so you can progress further in your life. Whether you want to pursue your higher studies or not is your decision, but ensure you complete your college because the knowledge you gain here will act as the foundation for your future. Stop getting influenced by wrong examples. Learn to question. Think, how is it even possible for someone who did not even attend school to go and achieve such big things in life or become the biggest inventor. And before thinking of walking their path, you should know what transpired between them dropping out of school or college till they achieved their success. Also, do you think anyone would have recognized these school or college dropouts if they hadn't achieved anything in their life? Is there a possibility that the ones who are dropouts get applauded ever in their life? No ways. No one is going to say, you quit your school or college, so good job done. No one will ever consider a school or college dropout unless they have proven themselves to the rest of the world. Now, most of us have a very structured way of education, right? And your college education provides you the knowledge, and hence do not take it lightly. Never take this for granted because not everyone is blessed with good education. There are thousands who want to be in your place but unfortunately do not have anyone to support them in their studies. Study hard and gain all the knowledge. Do not leave your education without completing it. Ensure you pass with flying colors because the knowledge you gain here is going to be very handy for you in the future. Some students tell me, I have this brilliant idea and I want to give it to people and I'm planning on quitting my studies to focus on this. And I always ask them, is there a possibility that both your studies and your idea can be managed? Why would you want to sacrifice one for the other? How much of a risk are you willing to take by quitting your college? What if your product fails or takes a very long time to launch? Wouldn't you be at a huge loss, both from the perspective of your education and your dream? You do not want both your studies and your ideas to become incomplete, do you? Always learn to have a backup plan. So if one plan fails, you always have another one. See, when someone says take risks in life, it does not mean making blind decisions and telling yourself, let me see what might go wrong. It means being calculative, weighing your pros and cons, and then making the decision to move ahead. So, even if you are someone who is in your teens and wants to start something on your own, do not proceed unless you have weighed the pros and cons. Never look at college as a place where you are burdened with studies. Try and understand the knowledge you gain through your studies. All depends on your perspective as to how you view your studies and have the right perspective, because without education, formally or informally, you will never gain the knowledge you need to move ahead in your life. I am someone who strongly believes that education provides us with the knowledge that we need to survive in our life. The more you educate yourself, the more knowledge you gain, and the more knowledge you gain, you always have an upper hand over your life. Ensure you always stay focused on your education. Education is a must if you want to become successful. Education is a source of knowledge, and knowledge is what will make you successful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Simple as that. Also remember to share this video with anyone you know who is ready to step into this critical phase in their life.